in a style that aims to capture the essence and majesty of Psalm 7, reformulated poetically. O Lord my God, in you I take refuge. Save me from all who pursue me, and deliver me. Lest like a lion they tear my soul to pieces, while there is none to save, none to set me free. Lord, my God, if there is guilt within my hands, if I have wronged a friend or repaid with evil, let my foe pursue my soul and overtake it. Let him trample my life to the ground, my deeds to unravel. But I call upon your justice, for you are righteous. Examine my heart. O Lord, test my mind and my heart. For your love is before my eyes. In your righteousness I trust. You shield the hearts of the true from injustice set apart. Arise, O Lord, in your anger. Lift yourself against the rage of my foes. Awake for me. You have commanded judgment to be known. Let the assembly of the peoples be gathered around you. Take your seat high above. Judge the righteous and the throne. O Lord, you judge the peoples. Judge me, O Lord, according to my righteousness, according to my integrity, O Most High. End the violence of the wicked, and make the righteous secure. You who test minds and hearts, O righteous God, hear my cry. I take refuge in the Lord, who saves the upright in heart. God is a righteous judge, a God who displays his wrath every day. If a man does not repent, he sharpens his sword, he bends his bow and makes it ready, his instruments of dismay. I will give thanks to the Lord because of his righteousness. I will sing the praises of the name of the Lord Most High. For in his judgment, truth and mercy align. In his court, the innocent are vindicated under his sky. If you like the video and want to see more videos, then subscribe and share this channel.